Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to snooze suggested posts on Instagram. If you're tired of seeing suggested posts on your feed and want a break from them, this is the full guide for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your device. Step 2. Scroll through your feed and find a suggested post. Step 3. Tap on the 3 dots located underneath the X mark. Step 4. From the options that appear at the bottom, select Snooze all suggested posts in feed for 30 days. By following these simple steps, you can temporarily hide suggested posts from your feed for a duration of 30 days. It's a great way to take a break from content that may not be relevant or interesting to you at the moment. And that's it. You've learned how to snooze suggested posts on Instagram. Enjoy a more personalized feed without distractions. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.